Hair loss can be a side effect to many different types of medical treatments. One of the most common treatments is chemotherapy. Head scarves for women may be a good option to help with the insecurity of having no hair or thinning hair for many of these patients. The way that someone looks can be very emotional for them. When their hair falls out or something like that, it is something that is difficult to change. They may choose to wear something that looks like they are hiding their hair though. Head scarves have been worn for many years though. This is not the reason that everyone wears them. They have a lot of different options available to them, but in some cultures women wear them all of the time. There are many reasons why they will wear them. Sometimes, it is because of their culture. Other times, it may be because they want to cover up what their hair looks like. Other times, people just want to wear them because they are in style. There are so many different styles available too. Everybody will want to wear something different. Choosing something that looks amazing will help too tremendously. These can be purchased to match the color or style that a person is wearing. Every retailer will have something different available. Online suppliers are going to have a large selection as well. When people are looking for these, they are going to find something that they truly love instead of settling for just anything that is available. Women want to look beautiful in whatever they are wearing. Everybody has something different that they like with fashion. Finding something amazing to help them feel even more beautiful than they already are is something that is going to be important no matter what age a person is. There are many different styles in the world. Every culture wears something different. There are many things that people wear that have certain meanings in the many different cultures. Some of them require the head to be covered up. Choosing some of the best fashions to wear when a person is not feeling the best can help lift their spirits and get them through this difficult time in their lives. Not everybody realizes that they have to feel like they look amazing also. There are many things that can affect the healing of a treatment. When people feel like they look different, they are going to feel different. They want to fit in, so having the necessary accessories to keep them looking great will help tremendously. It will help them fit in with other people like they want to. Some head scarves will also have hair extensions added to them. This gives the look of someone with long hair and it does not make it look like the head is being covered completely. This helps with the idea that just because a person has a headscarf does not mean that they do not have hair. There are plain colors that are available in many different colors. There are many different types of patterns that are going to be used on these as well. Everybody will have a different reason why they are using a piece like this, but being able to look great is one of the most important reasons to have them. Head scarves for women have been changed over the years to accommodate many things. They have many styles and many sizes of them. The style that someone loves the most can be purchased when they are ready. This is something that can help with healing as well as make a patient look amazing. Women can spend a lot of time on their hair to make it look great each and every day. For someone with a busy lifestyle, they will be looking for something that will help them spend less time. Attach and Wrap has many solutions for people with long hair, short hair or no hair. Everyone has a different obstacle when getting that beautiful hairstyle.